Welcome to the video. What is a ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkinson low-carb diets. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Can the ketogenic diets help you lose weight? A ketogenic diet can help you lose much more weight than a low-fat diet. This often happens without hunger. There are several reasons why a ketogenic diet is superior to a low-fat diet, including the increased protein intake, which provides numerous benefits. Here is keto meal plan for 1 week to help get you started. Monday breakfast, bacon, eggs and tomatoes. Lunch, chicken salad with olive oil and feta cheese. Dinner, salmon with asparagus cooked in butter. Tuesday breakfast, egg, tomato, basil and goat cheese omelette. Lunch, almond milk, peanut butter, cocoa powder and stevia milkshake. Dinner, meatballs, cheddar cheese and vegetables. Wednesday breakfast, peanut butter milkshake. Lunch, shrimp salad with olive oil and avocado. Dinner, pork chops with parmesan cheese, broccoli and salad. Thursday breakfast, omelette with avocado, salsa, peppers, onion and spices. Lunch, a handful of nuts and celery sticks with guacamole and salsa. Dinner, chicken stuffed with pesto and cream cheese, along with vegetables. Friday breakfast, sugar-free yogurt with peanut butter, cocoa powder and stevia. Lunch, beef stir-fry cooked in coconut oil with vegetables. Dinner, bunless burger with bacon, egg and cheese. Saturday breakfast, ham and cheese omelette with vegetables. Lunch, ham and cheese slices with nuts. Dinner, white fish, egg and spinach cooked in coconut oil. Sunday breakfast, fried eggs with bacon and mushrooms. Lunch, burger with salsa, cheese and guacamole. Dinner, steak and eggs with a side salad. Always try to rotate the vegetables and meat over the long term, as each type provides different nutrients and health benefits. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share.